In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Manus AI invitation code generator and Openmanus as an alternative in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an AI enthusiast or someone curious about new tech, you've come to the right place. With Manus AI being a fresh, innovative platform, gaining access requires a few straightforward steps. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to manus.im. This is their official website where everything begins. On the homepage, you'll see a visible Get Started button. Giving it a click takes you directly into the process of requesting your access. After clicking Get Started, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this page, look for the button labeled either Request Access or Apply for Access. This is your gateway to entering the Manus community, so make sure to click it to proceed further. Next up is a form. This form must be filled out with your correct details. You'll enter your personal email address, and if you have one, your work email as well. Don't forget to also mention your profession. This information is vital as it helps the Manus team understand who is using their platform. Moreover, there's an option to provide a detailed use case. If you have specific intentions or fascinating projects you plan to take on using Manus, this is the place to articulate them. Sharing a comprehensive use case can potentially increase your chances of gaining access, as it shows the practical application you envision with the platform. Further down the form, you'll find a section for social media links. Here, adding your LinkedIn or any professional profiles can be beneficial. It helps the Manus team validate your professional standing and interest in their tool. Once every field is correctly filled out, go ahead and click the Submit button. Now, it's time to play the waiting game. Keep an eye on your email inbox for a message from the Manus team. In this email, they'll not only inform you of your approval, but also provide the much sought-after invitation code, granting you entry into the world of Manus AI. This process is quite seamless, and in no time, with a little patience, you'll be opening doors to cutting-edge AI capabilities with Manus. Just follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to exploring the multitude of possibilities this platform has to offer. It's all about being diligent with the details you provide and having a bit of patience as the Manus team reviews your application. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your Manus AI journey. Remember to hit the like button if you did, and to subscribe for more how-tos and tech insights. Until next time, happy exploring.